Hi guys, Tony here from AK Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a Lexus hybrid. Okay, if you're getting your oil maintenance G light on the dash, this is how you're going to get around it. So get yourself on till the ignition's on, and then get rid of all the warnings, and then using these buttons on the dash you're going to go left, right, up, down, and then OK. So press back, go across your settings here. You see there the oil maintenance is required. Go into settings and go down to vehicle settings. Oil maintenance will come up, press OK. Do you want to reset data? Press yes. The data has been reset. If you go back out now, there you can see all your messages are cleared and the warning light is no longer displayed. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.